day, everyone. I am Jubilin Largo, a grade 11 STEM student from Maragusan National High School. Today, I am going to tackle to you the topic regarding systems of nonlinear equations, incorporating the graphical method using graphing calculator. Usually, in solving nonlinear equations, we are going to identify the points where the system of equation intersects. So it can either be a point, two intersecting lines, or an empty set. So let's give an example. We are going to solve the following system of equations. So the first equation, we have y squared minus 8y equals 4x minus 16. While the second equation is x plus 1 squared plus 2 times y minus 4 squared equals 12. The first equation represents a parabola which opens to the right, while the second equation represents an ellipse. Before we enter our equations in our graphing calculator, we are going to get first the value of y in each equation. For the first equation, this becomes y equals 4 plus or minus square root of 4x. For the second equation, this will become y equals 4 plus or minus square root of 12 minus x plus 1 squared over 2. So let's turn on our graphing calculator. So we have here our menu. We will use graph in this particular problem. Let's enter our first equation. So for our first equation, we have y1 equals 4 plus square root of 4x. Then press execute. For our second equation, we have y2 equals 4 minus square root of 4x. Then press execute again. For y3, we have 4 plus square root of 12 minus x plus 1 squared over 2. Then press execute again. And for y4, we have 4 minus square root of 12 minus x plus 1 squared over 2. Then press execute. So to view our graph, we are going to press F6. So this is how our graph looks like. Based on the graph, the system of equation of an ellipse and a parabola has two intersecting lines. So to get the vertex of the parabola, we need to press F5. And we need to execute y1 and y2. So the vertex of the parabola is 0 and 4. Press again F5 to locate our point 1. To locate our point 1, we need to execute y1 and y3. Therefore, the location or the coordinates of our point 1 is 1 and 6. Press F5 again to locate our point 2. To locate our point 2, we need to execute y sub 2 and y sub 4. The coordinates of point 2 is 1 and 2. So therefore, our points of intersection are P1 equals 1 and 6, and P2 is equals to 1 and 2, and the vertex of the parabola is 0 and 4. We could also view the points through the table. So let's go back to our main menu. Let's select the table. As you can see, our equation is already typed in. But first, we need to set our table. We have to press F5. For a start, we need to enter 0 and press execute. For end, we need to enter 1, then execute again. For step, we have to enter 1 and execute. So to view our table, let's press F6. So from our table, we can see and verify that our vertex of the parabola is 0 and 4, while the coordinates of point 1 is 1 and 6, and the coordinates of point 2 is 1 and 2. So that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you learned something from this presentation.